Manipur University ki Research Club na Manipur University Students Union amadi Media and Policy Analysis and Advocacy loisang Mapalga Kusamnaduna National Media and Manipur Mayhem Haiba Lairik Asigi Matangda Kananainabagi Thorum among us Manipur University Department of Art Sciences ki Senate hold the Pangtokre Manipur the Tokliba Irang Asida Media na Karamna coverage Tobagi Haibagi Hiram Asida Midiang Tamduna Pangtokiba Kananainabagi Thorum Maduda Lok Sabagi MP Dr. Bimol Akoizam Nasarukia Ki Kananainabadugi moderator retired IAS RK Nimaina Oikibagaloinana JNU Special Center for the Study of Northeast India ge Assistant Professor Dr. G. Amarjit Sharma, the Frontier Manipur ge Editor-in-Chief Dhiren A. Sadokpam Amadi, Imphal Free Press ge Editor Irengbam Aruna panelist oina sarukya ke. Thauramadu da sarukya kiba Dr. Bimol Akoizam na hai Manipur gi irang asida National Media na Press Council of India PCI gi Chatna Kanglon Ngakna Thabak Toude haibagi mami chawna tai Press na Ngakna chatkadaba PCI gi ethical standards Ngakna chatte maramasina 22 lei haibagi wafam masi lakibani fongdoke.
The manner in which the media have reported and covered it's simply fact is they don't follow the ECI standard. Media is responsible public opinion wrongly media false you have seen a completely wrong picture about what happened in Manipur. This is not about being biased to one community or the other. All that our target is the media, that one, you have not followed the standard of PCI in a setup of a professional ethics follow.
We knew that something was not right in the media, that it was biased. All of us felt that, I think, especially outside Manipur. The third neutral parties are not being neutral. They have the public opinion about this whole crisis. How has it been swayed against one community and for another community? Whereas in any conflict scenario, both have losses and both sides have victims. But the outside world saw one community as the victim and one as the perpetrator. So how did this public opinion form?
More than the high Editors Guild of India, crowdfunding to laugh more home lies. Although the same body, movie study to visit Army headquarters the game with the CTM 12 July that CTM Army headquarters the Manipur local media see am bias aduna nagi easy team mama lagam isli to at that time ada kamada bela mogi donors sing I crowdfunding to was paisa khai wa sing manunda ama yaw le masi moina soi wa gi to ITL media cell but Twitter yaw me kona soi le kham gi amu ITL se delete to ga aduna di kanane kamai to response to mo sigi deposit to ga caravan na alternative media ki economic caravan magazine da where does iba grisma kuterna how Indian government is enabling ethnic cleansing in Manipur. Sigi grisma katulgi report siga easy report siga so many similarities.